Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a car which is Audi A4 2014. In this 2 days back, the car was idling very poor. It started misfiring some of the other time. So meanwhile, while I was checking, unfortunately I couldn't get a clip of the car running very rough. And after doing some of my research, I found out that the oil separator right there, this thing, actually I went halfway out to remove this thing and put it back. I will try to remove this and let's see. Okay guys, for now I have already removed the oil separator, and I did just some cleaning, make sure that the area is clean. And the part which I have bought, it has already come with new gasket. I will show you guys the new part as well. This is the new one which I have bought, a fairly cheap brand for sure, but it will do the work. Okay guys, so done with the new one. I've already installed everything to the talks. Actually this one just needs a soft tight. You don't have to really go through it actually. Let's okay, I'm done with the repair. Now let's start this car and see how will it react on us now. Okay guys, this is it for the video. You can see that now the RPM of the car is running normal. It's there where it's supposed to be. I'm sorry for the video, it's kind of here and there. Let me know guys if you guys like videos like this. I will continue making them. Actually it's not very normal for me to make videos. I usually don't really make videos. At this time, right now, the car is acting normal. Check engine light is already gone. I have already cleared it with ODB clear, ODB reader. I mean, I've already erased the code and I don't have any more codes. And it's a very simple fix. If you see your car is acting weird, the RPM is going high, misfire, and there is a kind of noise. It's kind of a whistle noise. So this is it. It's just a simple fix. Hope you guys like the video. Let me know, comment down below if you want me to do more videos like this in detail. I will try my best to do it. Until then, next time.